Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a new collection that's about to drop from NARS. This is the Endless Summer collection. This is what I would call a mini collection or a capsule collection. There are only really 4 pieces in this collection, but they are all sets and a palette. I love when NARS comes out with little collections and sets like this. NARS is a very expensive brand, at least in my opinion, and their sets are always an incredible value. We're gonna get more into that. First, the Endless Summer collection is a Nordstrom exclusive. I'm not sure if it will eventually be sold with other retailers and just the launch is a Nordstrom exclusive. That has happened in the past where NARS has said that certain products were Ulta exclusive and then eventually they did pop up at Sephora. I don't know if this is gonna be like that or not. All I know for now is that NARS says this is a Nordstrom exclusive. It will be available in stores and online from Nordstrom on July 12th. I'm gonna do swatches and I'm also gonna show you a quick tutorial using the eye and cheek palette. First, let me just give you a little bit of product info. The first I wanna talk about is this Sunseeker Lip and Light Duo. It comes with a mini velvet lip pencil and a mini highlighter. These are both shades that are found within their permanent collection. This is just a way that you can get the duo and a mini. I love these cute little baby sizes. Look how cute this little compact is with this little tiny mirror. I just love cute tiny things. I know I'm not alone in this. This is the highlighter in the shade Fort de France. And the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil is in the shade Dolce Vita. This set is priced at $24 US. I do wish that one of the shades was a limited edition or like a special new shade for this collection. But overall, I do think this set is super cute and I imagine this would make a great gift if you're looking for like a $25 price point gift. This would be excellent. These shades are very beloved in the NARS line and they are the kind of shades that are gonna look great on a wide variety of people, wide variety of skin tones. So that is the Sunseeker Duo. There are 2 liquid lip sets in this collection. They are the Undressed 1 and Undressed 2 liquid lip set. Each set has 2 Power Matte lip pigments and 2 velvet lip glides. I am thrilled about this because those are 2 of my all-time favorite formulas, not just from NARS, but overall 2 incredible lip formulas. I have made other videos where I go more in depth about the Power Matte lip pigments and the velvet lip glides, so I will link those below if you're curious to know more about these products. The Undressed 1 has the more traditional nude shades. For the Power Mattes, there's American Woman, which is part of the permanent Power Matte line. Really love this shade. I know that American Woman has been a favorite from this line, so if you haven't picked it up yet, this set is a great way to try it out. The other is a paler, more fleshy nude called Antigua. This one is limited edition. It is specific to this Endless Summer collection. Then for the velvet lip glides, there are sort of coordinating shades. One pinkier nude called COZUMEL. This is such a beautiful color. Definitely a favorite for me in this collection. COZUMEL is the limited edition shade that is just available in the Endless Summer collection. And then a paler, more fleshy nude called Stripped, which is a permanent shade. All 4 of these that come in these lip sets are full-size products, which is insane because each one of these individually is retail priced at $26 US. This entire set of 4 is only $49. If you bought 2 Power Mattes and 2 lip glides just individually, that would be over $100. So this is a great value. I've said it before, I'll say it again. NARS gives an insane value in their sets. If you like nudes, this is a fantastic set. I think this is probably the best thing in this entire collection. Now I'm gonna show you the shades from the Undressed 2 liquid lip set. This also has 2 of the Power Matte lip pigments and 2 velvet lip glides in full size. These are in shades of pink. In Undressed 2, you're getting Save the Queen, which is a permanent shade, and Haze, which is the limited edition shade. For the velvet lip glides, we have a really bright magenta pink called Cartagena. And then the shade Bound, which is one of my all-time favorite lip colors. Love this shade. This set is also priced at $49. Incredible value. This is for the pink lover, or if you're just over nudes or you already have those 2 permanent shades from the Undressed 1 set. This is a great alternative. The last piece left for us to talk about is this Hot Escape Eye and Cheek palette. This palette contains 4 eyeshadows, a highlighter, and a blush, and it will be priced at $49 US. Really pretty limited edition packaging on here. This is the only item with special packaging on the product itself and not just the outer carton. There's a pretty decent mirror in here. This does not come with a brush or any kind of applicator. Of the 4 eyeshadows, the cream shade is matte. These 2 grayish cool tone shades are more satin finishes, and then the gold is a very intense metallic. Of course, the highlighter is shimmery, and then the blush is matte. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a quick tutorial using this palette, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. We are gonna get started with the cheeks first. I'm applying this matte blush in the shade Hot Pursuit to my cheeks. And this is very pigmented. I just used the teeny tiniest bit, and I think it showed up really nicely, blended out really smoothly. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighter in the shade Sunstreak. Sunstreak is a pale, icy pink highlighter. I like that it's not too bright. It definitely gives me that lit from within look. I also decided to apply some of this to my Cupid's bow, and I think it looks really good there. Not too shiny that I look like I have lip sweat. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna work on the eyes. Of course, I'm priming my eyes with my favorite eye base. It's the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. Then I will set that eye base using this matte cream colored shade called Aurora. Now that we have a nice smooth surface to work on, I'm gonna go in with my transition shade. I'm using Yucatan and applying that into my crease. I had a really hard time getting this shade to show up on me. I just took a lot of layering and a lot of blending, and it just didn't work that great for me. Maybe if you love really, really subtle eye looks, then you'll love this, but it just wasn't doing it for me, honestly. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Next Wave. This is a sort of navy meets graphite kind of color, and I'm building that into my crease and also the outer part of my lid to add some depth and a little bit of drama to my eye look. And I found that blending this with my finger gave me the best finish. Next, I'm gonna go to the shade Endless, and I'm gonna apply that with my finger as well. This one went on really, really well. No complaints with this eyeshadow shade at all. Then going back into the shade New Wave, this time with a really flat brush. I use that as a faux liner on the upper and lower lash lines. And to finish off my eye look, I used the Sunstreak highlighter as my inner corner highlight. This looks really beautiful on the eyes as well as on the cheeks. Then I curled my lashes and added some of my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And this is my finished look. I'm wearing the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita. from the mini set that's Sunseeker Lip and Light Duo. Overall, I'm decently happy with how my look turned out. I actually like it more now that I've been wearing it for a while. It's kind of starting to grow on me. You might love this more than I do if you are a cool tone lover. That's just not me, so I'm not immediately drawn to this. All in all, the palette was the most disappointing in the collection to me. The blush and highlighter are pretty. They're not anything really stand out for me. I do feel that overall this entire palette is more geared toward very fair light skin tones. I had trouble making some of these shades show up on me, and I'm pretty pasty, so I can't imagine that anybody with a medium tan deep skin tone would have a very easy time using these products. I really like this gold shade. It actually reminds me of my favorite shadow from the Narcissist Wanted eyeshadow palette. It has a very similar texture and similar finish on the eye. It's just a little bit more of a bright pale gold, whereas the one in the Wanted palette is a little bit more of like a rosy gold. So I'm sad to say, because I do really like this special packaging. I think that this water flowing print is really pretty, very summer. I wanted to love it, but this is my least favorite piece in the collection. So the palette for me would be a pass. The little mini duo is a great set. I think it's best suited towards gifting. It's not like a must-have because they are both permanent shades. So if you really wanted one of these shades, it's not that you have to buy this set right here, right now. But it's a good value. It's a very cute little set. So I would recommend the Sun Chaser Mini Duo as a great gift option. For me, the standouts in the Endless Summer collection are the lip sets. The value is unbeatable. $49 for 4 full-size NARS lip products is insanely good value. You could definitely purchase this set and break it up, you know, keep 2 and give 2 as a gift. I'm all about that. I'm not above it. I like all the shades that they chose for the lip colors. I love that you're getting something special in the limited edition shades, but you're also getting those staple, classic, really beloved NARS shades as well. Both sets are beautiful. I would be more drawn towards the undressed one. I am a nude lip loving girl, but I do like both. So that's what I would go for. If you're just gonna get one thing from this collection, I'd go for the lip sets. You can't beat it. Keep an eye on the description box, because as these products become available, I will link them down there for you if you want to go check them out. And if these products become available at other retailers like Ulta, Sephora, then I'll link that down there too, just so that you can check them out wherever you love to shop. I want to know what you think about this collection. Is there anything that you're dying to get your hands on? Are you passing on this one for now? Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. It's been a weird day, guys. It's really been a weird day. I can't completely get into it, but my son decided that he was awake for the day at 3:30 this morning, and it is now 3:30 in the afternoon. So, doing great. Just doing great. Cute. You're so cute. Look how cute. That's a cute little baby. Let me look it up so I don't get flayed in the comments. Cartagena. Tell me how to say it. Cartagena. Cartagena. I looked it up. So there you go. I love Coke Zero. Hashtag not sponsored. Last piece, let's try again. It's fine. You're fine. No one needs sleep. You're good. This is the Your Lips But Better shade. Why do I want a lip color that looks just like my lips? I don't know, but I like it. Cartagena. Oh, that was scary. On one of my lip swatch videos, somebody once suggested that I should open my mouth when I do all my lip swatches so that they can see if the lip color makes your teeth look yellow, which for information purposes seems like a good idea in theory, but can you imagine how creepy that would be if in every lip swatch video you're like, I can't do it. So you're just gonna have to use your best judgment on that. Because I know I've been known to be weird and creepy in my life, but I can't, it's usually on accident. I don't do it on purpose like that, so sorry. Save the queen! I love watching British TV shows a lot. I love the Great British Baking Show. That show makes me so happy. All the contestants are so freaking nice to each other. American competition shows would never be like that. I feel like Haze should be a purple shade. Purple Haze. Anyone? No? All right.